Welcome. If you want to customize your own keyboard theme in the Nokia 8.1, for the first you have to enter the settings. Right now let's scroll down, go for the system, tap on the languages and input, go for the virtual keyboard and select Gboard. Right now we have to enter the theme, and as you can see here we got the section My Themes, and currently I set up the theme from the colors. There's the pink color, but also we can add our own theme. So click here and maybe we can take this photo. So just take this, click done, okay, and click on the apply. And right now when we are going to use our keyboard, you will see that it's a new theme and there's our customized theme, right? So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.